We're looking at the trends in group 7, which includes ease of ionization, the atomic radius, and also the reactivity. Right, so the first one per usual that we'll be looking at, right, we'll be looking at the atomic radius, right? Or what we can do, we're gonna draw the structure of chlorine and fluorine. All right, so quick recap. What did we say the atomic number and the mass number for fluorine was again?
Sir?
What did we say the atomic number and the mass number of fluorine was again? You remember?
Sir, the mass number 9.
Double check that. Double check that. Double check the mass.
Sir, the atomic. And the mass number 18, but when I roll it after 19.
So it's 19 and 9. 19 and 9. Right, and then for chlorine, primarily we see 35.5 and 17.
Atomic number.
Right, so I hope we can recognize this. It's 17. And that up top is 35.5. So quickly draw in the structure. So what's the neutron again? The amount of neutron will be what?
Sir?
What's the neutron?
Fluorine, sir.
Yes.
10? Yeah, 10, sir, 10.
Yes, so it's 10, and then we quickly draw in the structure, right? Already there. Drawing the structure, this is something that we did in the past. For those who don't remember, you can always check out the videos that we have completed so far. So we have 1, 2, 4, 6, 1, 7. Our EC now would be 2, 7. That would be our EC. What following, Morgan?
Yes, sir.
You want to draw chlorine on the over this side? Can you manage that?
Sir, I can't use the board with the figure, but alright, we'll try.
If you can't do it, man, that's fine. Alright, try. What I have there?
Sir?
What they say, you can use your finger on the board or you can't?
Sir, I can't use Apple Pen now.
Oh, alright, so let me just do it. Alright, so what would be your amount? What would be your protons? Now the atomic number, proton number would be what?
18, sir. 18.
Talking about protons. What is the atomic number, you know? The atomic number is what and what again? The atomic number tells?
Oh, 17 protons, sir.
Yeah, so the atomic number tells the protons and neutrons in an atom. It's neutral. You draw the structure because the structure is a bit different. 8. 2, 8, what again? 2, 8.
Repeat.
Oh, so you're counting it now, so it's remember how much will be on the last shell again?
6, sir. 6.
The last shell.
Yeah. Oh, 7, sir. 7.
Right, 7. So it's 2, 8, and 7. Now, based on what you're seeing here now, right? What can you identify as it relates to the structures here? As it relates to the first thing we're going to look at again is electron shells. Right, because we also have to look at that in our groups. So electron shells as it relates to group 7. What are you seeing as it relates to the electron shells? Seen any trend? Morgan?
Sir?
Yeah, man, I'm saying what is the trend? What trend are you seeing as it relates to?
So shall them increase?
Good. So there's one extra electron shell added as you go down the group. So similarly to group 2, right? Electron shells increase down the group as well. Increases down group. So you get that?
Yes, sir.
So the first one we're looking at, right? So just to put a point over here. The electron shells increase down the group, right? So there's an extra electron shell added as you go down the group. And it's
Yes.
evident here, right? It's evident right over here where you're seeing 1, 2, what's that? That's 1, 2. There for fluorine, because it's 2, 7. For chlorine, now you have 1, 2, and 3. Right, so there's an extra electron shell added in the structure of chlorine due to the amount of electron present. That's the first trend that we need to identify. You get that? I got.
Yes.
If you want to sleep,
Yes.
man.
Sir, may I hear, sir?
Oh, alright. Okay, man. So the pointer is over this side, so you can write that down. Over here is a seat here. So that's the first trend. Alright, so electron shells increase down the group. Now the next thing that we need to look at, right? We need to look at, we already identify and deduce that, right? They're placed in groups based on the amount of electron present on the outer shell. Therefore, we're supposed to quickly confirm that again, right? Which we did previously. We have 2, 4, 6, and 1, 7 on that outer shell, and we also have 2, 4, 6, and 1, 7. So they're indeed 7 on the outer shell. The next thing that we're going to be looking at right now, right? We're going to be looking at the atomic radius, which we already identified that as relates to group 2. Now, atomic radius, right? What do you think about the atomic radius? Do you think it increased or decreased down the group? For group
Sir, repeat.
as it relates to atomic radius, do you believe that it increases down the group or decrease?
Sir, repeat. You kind of break up.
Alright, you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So we look at the atomic structure already, and we look at the electron shells.
Yes, sir.
The next thing that we need to focus on now, we want to touch on the atomic radius. If it increases down the group or if it decreases. So I'm asking, what is your opinion on that?
Sir, increase.
Why do you think it increases? How can you explain it now based on the structure?
Sir, when name the atomic radius?
Yes, the atomic radius. Remember that we drew the diagram already, right? When we mentioned the circumference is the entire
because new electron shells.
Yes, yeah, that would be accurate. So the extra electron shells, or the extra electron shell that is added in the structure, right? It increases the atomic radius, because the radius is from the center of the nucleus to one side of the atom. So if we want to draw it from, just imagine that the atom is indeed circular. It's a circle, right? The atomic radius is from the center to one side of the atom. So that will be the radius. So if the idea is that if we continuously add an extra electron in the structure, based on what you're seeing here, for example, realize that as one is added to the structure, right, the atomic radius increases. So the distance from here to the end out here would increase if you have an extra electron shell added. So the next feature that we also want to write down as well is that atomic radius increases down the group of group 7.